welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing this face, welcome. I'm Anita Mgiani, and please don't leave without subscribing and joining our beautiful family. So the things are busy. Thank you so much, guys, for continuous support. I really appreciate it. So today it's Friday, the 9th of August, and it's a Women's Day. So none friendly, I'm going out on a coffee date just to celebrate us with something little, something small, a coffee date. Just to celebrate and appreciate us for being our fathers. So yeah, and to every woman in South Africa, I'd like to say Happy Women's Day. You are appreciated. So
the way you paint the picture of me. I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, play the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. Just not possible. No, we all kinda selfish, baby. Please don't judge me, please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. Found out I am through you, and it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my fault? Why'd you have to fall? I think I need to. Leave you while you're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. Oh.
just got back from the date and shembe kumnandi usuku lwami ndili-enjoyile because seliphela ngoku kodwa uku-enjoya kona ndili-enjoyile. And i-cherry on top ngolu suku is that I'm now a parent. Guys, ndingumzali. Please call me Mama Ka. Igama lakhe nguJoy because sayijoy empilweni yami. I'm so happy. I'm so happy nguJoy. So please call me Maka Joy. Please. Guys, Mjongeni, how beautiful she is. It's a she. Mjongeni, look at her.
I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe. Safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. Should leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got a hunger she don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh.